Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple pictures on an Instagram post. So the process is really easy. Let's get started. I'll get straight to the point. So first of all, open Instagram on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. This is the homepage of Instagram. Now to post the pictures, you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom middle part of the screen. It is right beside the search icon. Now on the screen you can see this option that says select multiple right beside the camera icon. If you tap on it, you'll be able to select multiple pictures that you can upload on a single post. So go ahead and tap on it. Now all you have to do is select the pictures that you want to upload just like this. And once you're done, tap on the right faced arrow at the top right corner of the screen. On this page, you can edit the pictures if you want to. You can apply all these different filters. There's also the edit option at the bottom right corner. You can also use those features. And after you're done, tap on the right faced arrow at the top right corner of the screen again. Now wait for a few seconds. Then on this page, you can add captions to your post if you want to. I'll simply write "Hey" for now. You can also tag people on your post using the tag people option, and also you can add location. Similarly, there are features to share this post to Facebook, Twitter or Tumblr if you want to. You can navigate through all these features if you want to, and after you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now all you have to do is wait for your post to be uploaded. It might take a good few seconds, so let's wait. And as you can see, all of my 4 pictures have been uploaded as a single post. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.